In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap faces in Canva. Face swapping is a fun way to create memes, concept drafts, or quick mockups without needing any advanced photo editing skills. All you need is a Canva account and an internet connection. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your design in Canva or create a new one. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see the main toolbar that includes options like Design, Elements, Text, and others. In that same panel, look for the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Canva hides a lot of its powerful extra tools, including the one we'll be using today. After you click on Apps, a search bar or a list of app suggestions will appear. In the search field, start typing Face Swap. As you type, Canva will begin filtering the results. You're looking for anything related to face swapping, but specifically, you should see an option called Face Swapper appear in the results. Once you see Face Swapper, click on it. This opens the dedicated interface for the tool inside Canva. Depending on your account and internet speed, it might take a moment to load, so just give it a second. When it opens, you'll usually see some quick instructions or a short description of what the app does. From this point on, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Canva's Face Swapper tool will guide you through uploading or selecting the images you want to use. Typically, you'll need one image with the face you want to place, and another image where that face will be swapped in. You may be asked to confirm which face should be detected, or to adjust simple settings like positioning or the number of faces to swap. Take your time with these prompts. Make sure the photos you choose are clear, with the faces facing forward and well lit. This helps the tool create a more natural looking result. Once you confirm your choices, Canva will process the images and generate the swapped version. When it's done, the new image will appear in your design, and you can resize, move, or edit it, just like any other Canva element, and that's all you need to swap faces in Canva using the built-in face swap.